Hi guys, welcome to assessment 3 of 329. Previously you would have seen a video which was about the cash receipt journal. So this is the cash payment journal. So this is where whenever money is withdrawn or taken out of the bank by check, an entry is made in the cash payment journal. So basically a withdrawal represents a decrease in the cash at bank account. So just remember it's money that's been taken out. Okay, so you can see here I've got my spreadsheet open. Okay, we've got the date of the transaction, the particular, which is also the transaction, the check number, folio, bank, GST, and then we have our columns, which is the stationery, accounts payable, payroll, PAYE, drawings, and sundry. So I'll just do the first one, and then hopefully the second time, hopefully throughout the video, you can kind of do it on your own. Okay, so having a look here, we've got our information. We're gonna go off this information here. Okay, so the date of the transaction is the 4th of Feb. Okay, February. Okay, and I'm just gonna press tab, and the transaction of the particulars. So it's basically telecom, January, telephone account, and I'm just gonna open up column B a bit. Okay, our check number, and we can see here that our check number is 901. 901. Awesome. So we're just going to leave our folio out. We won't put anything in this column here. So we're just going to go straight to our bank column. Okay, so if we go back to this information here, we know that $327.05 was taken out of our bank. And so we insert that amount in the bank column here. Now we have to try and work out the GST. So remembering our rule when we're using Excel is to always insert the equal sign. Okay, so what we're going to do next is that we're going to click on our bank amount, which is $327.05, and we're going to times that by 3, divide that by 23, and we're going to press enter. Okay, and then obviously there's too many numbers there, so we kind of need to round that up. So go up here, general, and there we go. It's going to round it to the nearest dollar or cent. Okay, so here we need to figure out what column does the telecom January telephone account fall under. So obviously it's not stationery. Okay, and accounts payable is basically United Products Limited has an account with they basically have an account with someone. And if we go to the PAYE, the payroll column, if we look at the payroll column, it's paying people, paying staff. Okay. PAYE is basically tax on wages and salaries. Okay, we have our drawings column, which is the owner's withdrawal for personal use, and then we have the sundry column, so all other transactions that don't relate to those listed here. So this is also known as a miscellaneous item. So basically telephone January telephone account, we need to figure out which column it falls under, and I've chosen sundry only because it doesn't relate to any of these columns here, so it's just a miscellaneous. So we basically need to find calculations for this one. So it's equal, and we are taking our bank and we're going to minus it from our GST, and that will give us the amount there. Okay, so let's work on the next one. So the 4th of Feb, so we're still on the same day. Okay, and then what we're going to do here is Smith & Jones is our transactions. and Jones, invoice 5621. Okay, and our check number is 902. Okay, so we're leaving our folio, going straight to the bank, and the amount of 1,123.24 cents. 1,123.24. Okay, working out the GST again, equal, click on your bank, times that by 3, divide that by 23, and that equals that amount there. And I'm just going to change that to the accounting, so rounding it up. Okay, cool. So again, trying to figure out where this falls under. Okay, so stationery, no. Definitely accounts payable because it's credit payments. Okay, so we're paying off our, paying off our credit. So again, the rule is equal, click on your bank, minus that by your GST, and that's your accounts payable right there. Okay, so it's basically simple. You just follow the step by step, and yeah, basically try and figure out where your transactions, what columns they fall under here. Okay, so good luck, and that's your cash payment journal. Sweet.